Hi, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm the CEO of Churchill Mergers. Today, I'm going to walk you through how we at Churchill Mergers successfully advised on the sale of a 28 million pound precision engineering and advanced manufacturing business. So this was a complex transaction that required deep sector expertise and a carefully structured process to achieve an outstanding result for our client. So phase one was understanding and positioning the business. Our client was a UK-based precision engineering firm specializing in high tolerance components for aerospace, defense and medical sectors. With 28 million pounds in revenue and strong EBITDA margins, this was a classic example of a hidden gem in industrial manufacturing. We began the comprehensive vendor due diligence, analyzing the customer base and contract structures, specialized manufacturing capabilities, IP and proprietary processes, and supply chain resilience. This allowed us to position the business as a critical supplier in higher value chains with significant barriers to entry. So, phase two was creating the marketing package. So we carefully developed a teaser highlighting the firm's niche capabilities without revealing the identity or location. So a detailed information memorandum, or IM, was prepared, showcasing long-term contracts with blue chip clients, UK and offshore, advanced CNC and additive manufacturing capabilities, skilled workforce and technical know-how. Phase three involved targeted buyer outreach. So our buyers included strategic buyers, larger engineering groups looking for capability expansion. And number two was private equity firms focused on industrial technology. And number three was international buyers, particularly from the North America, seeking UK manufacturing foothold. So we conducted discreet outreach to 120 potential buyers roughly, and resulting in 45 NDAs signed within the first 3 weeks. This was amazing. And phase four was managing the auction process. So the process timeline was critical here. So week 1 to 3 was initial teaser outreach and NDA collection. Week 4 was IM distribution to signed parties. Week 6 was deadline for letters of intent. We received roughly 14 letters of intent with valuations ranging from 9 to 12 times EBITDA. The quality of these reflected the business's strong position and defense and medical sectors. Phase 5 was due diligence and management presentations. So 8 parties were invited to access the virtual data room containing 3 years of financials, customer contracts and CapEx plans. They asked for some more, but which we provided, and to participate in site visits and see the advanced manufacturing facilities and meet with the highly skilled management team. So these site visits were particularly important as seeing the precision equipment and skilled operations in real life convinced the buyers of this business's true value and potential. And phase 6 involved final bids and negotiation. So after the second round of bids, we shortlisted three serious buyers or contenders. One was a US industrial group, second was a UK-based private equity firm, and third was a German engineering group. And the winning bidder was the German engineering group, who offered a valuation at the top end of our range of 11.5 times EBITDA, full cash consideration, and commitment to retain all the staff and invest in new equipment. Phase 7 was closing the transaction, took a bit of time. The final stages involved coordinating legal due diligence across 3 jurisdictions, negotiating the transitional service agreements, finalizing warranties and indemnities, and the deal completed in just under 7 months from launch. This was exceptional, an excellent timeline, because normally we look at around about 9 months minimum for such transactions. So here's why this deal worked. Number one, it was sector knowledge. We understood the value drivers in precision engineering. Process discipline was also important. Strict timelines and maintained buyer urgency. And number three was preparation. So comprehensive vendor due diligence we carried out in the beginning, preempted buyer concerns. This saved a lot of time. For engineering business owners, this transaction demonstrates that even in competitive markets, specialist manufacturers with technical expertise can command premium valuations when positioned correctly. So at Churchill Mergers, we've developed particular expertise in engineering and manufacturing transactions, understanding both the technical and commercial aspects that drive value in these businesses. If you are considering a sale of an engineering or manufacturing business, we'd be delighted to discuss how we can help achieve the best possible outcome and get the best valuation for you. Visit our website, churchillmergers.co.uk, and you can also download my book on selling your business and gain in-depth understanding of how and what to watch out for, how to prepare before a sale. Thank you very much.